What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have some big news you've all been waiting for. The truck finally came in, which we've been waiting for 5 weeks, and we're going to do like a walk around of it and do a clean. So let's take a look at it and see all what we have to do.
Yeah, this thing is super nice. I love this truck. Yeah, so this side is perfect. No damage here. It's a Denali HD 2500 with Duramax engine. Truck's loaded out to the max. I've never owned a truck this loaded out. We don't have any damage to this side, the back. This is all perfect.
What's in that box?
I don't know. Clips. Must be something from under here. Looks like put in some hooks or something. Got that. A lot of floor mats in here. I guess that's the floor mats.
And that's probably trash.
This don't even look like from this truck. It looks like from some other car. Maybe that's what ran into this car. And this side is it got side swiped. So this is where the damage is. Not really sure how it happened. I was trying to figure it out. I assume a car just came in, side swiped it. It took off that step. It dented this door in. Probably have to change out this whole front fender because it's a good bit of damage here. I don't know if it's worth saving. So change this. Get 2 new door shells. This whole, I guess you call it a rocker panel. We'll probably have to find another one and cut it here. Weld that in. Little damage on the bed. This can be fixed by a good body guy, not by me. And the back tire was destroyed, so I put the spare on it. I went to the tire shop and bought a used tire just so we can get it back going. So that's the outside of it. So that's the only damage.
You want to take a look at the interior?
Yeah, we can do that.
Man, the interior is immaculate.
Yeah, this thing is super nice. I love it.
And some nice leather seats. We love them.
Yeah, the truck it's on the window, 38,808 miles. For a 2016 model, that's low miles.
Yeah. Has a nice home screen. Got also a nice moonroof. We love them also.
So what's the damage all in here? We have side air curtains on both sides are blown. Both seat belts are locked up. And then we have an airbag in this seat here that's blown out. So let's see, it's probably 500, 1,000, maybe 1,200 bucks we're gonna have to spend on the interior. I don't know if I'm gonna fix this once we put this back up. I may do it. I mean, it's such a nice truck. I'm definitely keeping this one. Somebody already offered to buy it, but I want to keep this. I want to just keep adding on to it, doing mods. We can do a lift kit. Probably.
I think we should do a 6-inch.
Yeah, there's a fine line with lift kits of looking cool and looking like something else. So I think 6-inch is that perfect size lift kit. So let us know in the comments what's a really good brand for lift kits. What Incognito or I don't know all the brands, but let us know what's a really good one. We don't want to go cheap.
Yeah. So is there anything in the glove department?
Let's see. Don't show the names. It's just some paperwork, stickers. Ooh, a pencil. We can take all this out.
Nothing in there. Just some
Paper
napkins.
Towels. Clean all that out.
The back is nice too.
Look in this one, see if there's anything.
Nope.
You never know what you're gonna find in these trucks. What is this, a dog bone?
Ooh.
Oh, it looks chewed up. I wonder if Lexi will want it. That's too little for Lexi. They must have had a tiny dog.
Yeah, and that's electrical or is that manual?
It should be a power window. Thing is nice. Love it.
Do you want to start washing it?
Yeah, we wash it down, vacuum it. We could do the interior real good. Just start out with a clean truck.
Yep.
These are good? Oh yeah. So it's just the 2 front seat belts. And I gotta figure out where the airbag control module is. I don't really know anything about these trucks. So if you know where that's at, let me know. It should, I would guess, in the center console, just like the Corvette, you take that apart to get to it.
All right, so let's get the power washer and start washing.
All right. Take all these brackets off. Everybody keeps hitting their shins on this one, especially the front. Them things hurt bad. Use this old airbag to lay on. So far, the only negative thing I found about the truck, which I kind of figured it, the truck is from up north in Pennsylvania, and usually trucks from up north, they put salt on the roads and there's some rust. It's real light surface rust. You can see it like on the back shocks, which we're going to replace that anyway when we do the lift kit. But a few other little spots, I see some rust. But I mean, it's not bad, but it was expected. So we'll get all that fixed up too. We're gonna make this truck nice. All right, we got all these shin busting things off. I think everybody in the family's done hit their shins on it. We found the floor mats in the back of the truck. Got those cleaned up. Put those in. You did a great job cleaning it. The guy that owned it, or girl, whoever owned it, they kept this truck clean. So I think that's going to be it for this video. We just wanted to do a little quick walk around. We didn't do a lot of talking. Just wanted to show you the truck because we're super excited. Wanted to do a little quick cleanup on it and just get a video out so you can see what our next build is. So we got just a quick update. I went today and got all the, I got the front bumper for the Corvette. We got all the airbags in now, so all I'm waiting on is the control module to come back. Had to send it off to get reset. So we're gonna do all that in one video, get the Corvette finished up, then we'll sand it down and go paint it. Still working on a tractor. Got a few things left to do to it. So we got a lot of things going on at once. 3 builds going. So we went from 1 build to 3 builds all in just a short period of time. So that's going to be it. Appreciate you watching and staying to the end, and we will see you in the next video.